Club back with another British English lesson. Today I am going to teach you 5 British English phrasal verbs for business, entrepreneurs, professionals and anybody. Of course it's in British English. British English is what comes out of this mouth. Alright my lovelies, give the video the thumbs up if you find it useful. It helps me and it helps the channel. Don't forget to leave some comments of how I can help you more. Alright my lovelies, let's get started. Now, phrasal verbs for business. They help you sound more professional and more diplomatic in your work life. For example, instead of telling your colleague no, you can sound more polite and more diplomatic. You can say something like, "No, I think I'll have to turn down your offer." It sounds way more diplomatic and polite than saying a straight no. Okay, my lovelies, 5 phrasal verbs for business, entrepreneurs, professionals, and basically anybody. First one I've got for you is deal with. Deal with basically means I'll take care of something. Don't worry, I'll deal with the problem. It means you handle, work on, or manage something. The second one I'll teach you is bring up. It's bring up. Bring up means to say, mention, talk, or bring up a topic or an issue. It also means you can bring up an idea. Example sentence, I'll bring it up at the next board meeting. Phrasal verb number 3 is break down. It's break down, where you have something really complicated and you break it down into smaller, manageable pieces that people can understand. If something's complicated, it needs to be broke down into smaller pieces. Basically, you break down something so that it's more understandable. Example sentence, the new website is complicated. We need to break it down so that everybody can understand it better. Phrasal verb number 4 is hold up, where something's delayed, like an arrangement or a meeting, or also in everyday life you can hold up something so that people can see it, but when you use it in a business scenario it means something's delayed. Example sentence with hold up in it, the new construction of our building is held up because of the weather. Phrasal verb number 5 is put off. Put off. Everybody puts off something. What put off means when you use it in a business scenario, it means you postpone or you delay something. Example sentence, the business meeting has been put off until next week. Alright my lovelies, that's you 5 phrasal verbs for business, entrepreneurs, professionals and basically anybody. Don't forget to give the video the thumbs up if you found it useful. Leave a comment. Check out the other videos, the training courses. You can find us on Facebook, Easy English Club page and a group, and Instagram. And I'll see you in the next lesson. And thank you for your time. Bye-bye.